Hello guys, I hope you're good. So we're gonna have NFP now. We're gonna have NFP in like a few seconds, right? So I believe that it'll go to the downside. Right, it'll go to the downside. Let's stop up out here. Look at this trend line. So as you can see there, we went all the way to the downside. Right. Okay, let me close, and then I'll explain. I'll explain to you what's happening. Okay. Okay, so what's happening here? It's straightforward. So what's happening here? It's straightforward. So what can we see? What can we see? We have this low, which is a very old low, right? We have this line. You see here, we can draw a very, very nice trend line here. Right, and let's come here. Then let's come here. All right. So what's this? The bullish candles. That's the reclaimed candles. All right. So we want to mark 2. The reason we're marking 2 is because if you go to 3 minutes, you'll see that there's this one there. Or even if we can take the whole thing like this, right? But if you go to 5, it will be what? Okay, 5 minutes. It's only 2, right? So it's fine. So now what's happening here? We're hitting that reclaimed candles, so only focus on these last candles, right? So we're taking the buy side liquidity here. We're taking those stops, right? And then what happens as it goes lower, they're gonna think that we breaking market structure here. And then if we breaking market structure here, where are they gonna sell? They want to sell on these candles, only to fight the market. It takes the stops and then it goes below, and then it comes back here. So when it's coming back, that's where it's reclaimed. That's where it's reclaimed. So how can we see how far can it go? So it's easy. We can take the Fibonacci. Then most of the time, if we're looking for this low, we can use the standard deviation of 4, right? Even though it's still pushing to the downside, right? But the most logical area, it was around here, right? So I hope you understand that one. So if we go into an hourly chart, you will see that on hourly chart, we have this low. So we can be looking for that low, as you can see. And let me take some few profits again. Let me take some few profits. Okay. Even this. Okay. Even Nasdaq. We're gonna break Nasdaq now. I'm still taking some few profits. All right, so we hit that level, and then after that level now we can exit. So you can see that what's happening here. We have the buy side of the curve. This is the buy side. So if we talking in terms of supply and demand, so what's happening on the buy side, it should also happen on the sell side, and to see that it delivers to that specific level. Then you see that, and we had the consolidation here. Then based on the model that I've taught here for free, we said if we mark this consolidation like this, then we're looking at this high. We take the Fibonacci from the high to the midpoint of the consolidation. So you see it's giving us a projection, which is somewhere here. So it shows when we live in the consolidation, we should deliver at least to this level, right? So we can just match that with what? We can use the standard deviations. So you will notice that it's at 3, but if we're looking for the 4, this one, it means we will look for 4, right? And most of the time, if 4 is at that level, it might be reaching for a standard deviation of 4.5. Do you get that? Right, so we're taking this high, right? And then the Fibonacci, we take it from the high and then looking at the midpoint, right? So this is the midpoint of the Fib. We take it to the midpoint of the consolidation. You see that? So it's very easy. Then if now we also want to see in terms of the fixed range from there even to here, we can see that even before this part here, it's telling us that we have less volume here and we have high volume. So if we have high volume, most of the time here we know this level, it should be sensitive, right? But you need the right time to participate, right? It's even raining outside, so we came into that level and then we start to look for our setups. You see, so we've been consolidating, then we are here, and then we go higher, and then look at this wick. You see this wick. So if we divide that into quarters, you'll notice that we hit that midpoint there. So it's the highest level where we can be looking for setups to okay that level, you see, right? And then from there we are just going to the downside, as you can see. So I hope you found this one insightful. Until we meet again. So it's very simple, right? Very simple. So you can see, you can enter even before the market breaking this level already. We are in here, right? So you saw when I started this, showed you that we has to go to the downside, just that it happened too quick, right? So I'll see you on the next video.